We almost ready to go, Pete? You know, I'm looking forward to temperatures that match the sunshine. You know, also waiting for fashion-friendly footwear weather, so we can get rid of these boot things.
Make the most of every.
Yeah. Anyways, let's get rolling. Hey everybody, Steve Kanjar here at our latest listing, brought to you by the only name you need to know for real estate Niagara, Peak Performers Realty and Team Moving Niagara. Today, we're at 2 River Street in Port Robinson. We're right along the canal. We got a park beside us, and today this is a duplex, massive 2-bedroom units. Actually, the main floor right now is being used as a bachelor and a 2-bedroom unit. You could easily maybe get a rezone, get it for 3. It doesn't matter. The bonus here is the seller's also putting in the vacant lot next door. So we have about a 30+ foot lot next door that's attached to it. So let's have a look at these giant units. The rents show well. It's a great investment. It's got lots of updates. Let's have a look and see.